Hello, welcome to NueronWriter review. In this honest review, I'll be walking you through what NueronWriter is, how it works, the features, the pricing, the pros, and the cons. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to make the right decision whether NueronWriter is what you should use for your business if you want to go for SEO. Before we dive in, if at any point you want to decide to try NueronWriter, I recommend you check out the link in the description area to sign up for the free trial. With that being said, let's dive right in. So, NueronWriter is basically a website that helps you plan, write, and optimize your content with the intent user in mind, right? So, going forward, here is the features of NeuroWriter. So with NeuroWriter, you can be able to write content that ranks on Google. So in terms of the topic related phrases, the you're able to cover the topical knowledge graph in a way that to give you more ideas on what you need to write in terms of the ranking, right? So you can also draft your documentation whereby you can just click and be able to get more ideas on better headlines and um relevant question from Google. So that way you don't need to waste time trying to make research on all that, right? So with your content optimization score, so you can get to see how your content is the ranking of how your content is like. So from the scale of 1 to 100, so you'll be able to say, okay, this is where you are, and get to optimize some part in terms of your main keyword, your meta title, your meta description, your headline 1, your headline 2, right? So you'll be able to get the analysis and be able to improve on when needed, right? So with the content ideas features, you'll be able to get relevant ideas based on what your topic is all about. So you don't with these features you don't need to have to being stuck without knowing what to write next. So with these features, it's going to take away the writer's block that most writers do have in terms of writing content, right? So lastly, they also have a AI writing features whereby you can easily generate you can easily write paragraph. You can write graph 3 within seconds, right? So all you just have to do is to click on generate and then it starts writing it for you. So if you are someone who want to build your authority in a particular niche, this NeuroWriter is going to be the right fit for you because with it you can easily generate content ideas and be able to um plan your content ahead for long time content strategies, right? And be able to manage it and be able to execute it without having a whole lot of stuff going on without knowing what to do next. So inside this area you get to see based on what you need to do at a particular point, right? You get to set up a render at a particular point in time so that you can be able to know, okay, this is what I've done, this is what I need to do, and this is what I get to do next, right? So if you really want to build your website based on user intent search phase, right? NeuroWriter is going to help you, um come up with user intent content and also be able to to show you what your competitor are already doing and to give you some similar content type that you can use, right? And also you can document the structure whereby you'll be able to know, okay, this is what I need to write at this point, this is what I need to write at this point, and this is what I need to write at the ending of this content in order to make it rank higher on Google, right? Of which you can optimize and also get to see recommendation based on the search engine ranking results page. So let's get a little bit further to see how Neuron writer can help you, get more traffic to your website, right? Okay, so the first step, you need to, do with neural writing is to pick up a keyword, right, that you want to write rank for, right? So once you input the keyword into NueronWriter, it's going to like give you the competitor analysis, right? And then the next step, you are going to be able to create a document draft whereby you get to have um, different question, different topic, content idea that you can come up with within a short period of time, right? And if you like, you can use the AI writer to to write the entire content for you if you don't want to do any kind of work, which is one of the best parts of NueronWriter. So let's go into the pricing to see their packages, right? Okay, so with NueronWriter, their packages start from $19 per month, of which you can um, create 2 projects at a time and also be able to come up with 25 content writing analysis and also get access to 15,000 AI credits, which you can use to um, write content within seconds, right? So you also get access for to content plan and content sharing, right? So for the second package, which is their silver plan, which is selling for 37 euros, right, monthly. So with this you can create 5 projects inside your dashboard and you'll be able to like get 50 content writing writer analytics and also get 30,000 AI credits and get the basics plan, right, the bronze plan as well, which is content plan and then new ideas. So this new idea is part of the feature, I mean part of the upgrade of silver plan, right? Because they do not offer new ideas for the bronze plan, right? Which is awesome. So the third pricing is 57 euros per month, which is most likely used recommended for copywriters or small agencies. So with this you can create 10 projects, get 75 content writer analysis, get 45,000 AI credits, and it doesn't come with the silver plan features as well, right? So the aside from that, you can also get, I mean, you can bring in unlimited team member, which it makes it awesome for you if you have a agency whereby you now work with the team, so you can add your team member to create content, edit content, and all that, right? So the fourth package is the platinum pack plan, which is 97 I mean 77 euros per month. So this is meant for larger business, who have several domains that they do manage, right? So with this they can create um 25 projects with with a 77 euros per month plan, and they can they will get access to 100 content writer analysis with 60,000 AI credit. It comes with this glo gold plan as well, and then there are more features down below. If you see, it comes with 100 100 plagiarism check integrations with WordPress content management, of which this one also offer 70 with integrations and content manager for content management. So lastly, we have they have diamond plan, which is 97 euros per month. So this is meant for people who are into SEO at large, and they manage couple of agencies. I mean, times for their clients. So here they can get to handle 50 projects inside its new writer, and then be able to use 150 content writer analysis, and get access to 75,000 AI credits, content plan and new ideas, content sharing with unlimited access to their team member to create content, to edit, and also to read. And also they get 150 plagiarism check, integrations, and content management as well. So looking at this pricing, there is no one size fits all for for it. So it all depends on what you want to do, right? At the stage where you are. So if you are a copywriter, you want to deliver a good service to your client, it won't really make sense for you to go for the 1987 plan, right? Unless you have multiple projects that you handle, right? So so far so good. What I'm saying right here is really really amazing for um the price package that is being offered. And looking at reviews that we have here, it's a good impression that people who are already used NueronWriter is really getting the best results with the 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 website, right? So if there's one thing about me that I used to tell people, I used to say, you know, um personally I like to test things out for myself to see if it's going to work well for me, because this is online, right? What's worked for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B, right? So what I would recommend you do is to go and try out the free trial, right? So they do have a free trial, right? So just check out the description area in this video. I'll put a link to the free trial. So go get the free trial first, and make use of it. And then if it is something you really think is going to be helpful for you in your business, then go get the paid version, right? So with that being said, that is literally all I want to say in this video. And then if this video makes sense to you, please drop me a thumb like on this video, and don't forget to check out the link in the description to get access to the free trial.